Hello and welcome to TayTime. This week's parsha, Parshat Tzav, we have an interesting inyan of the Tamid, where one pasuk mentions that the fire will never go out, and then another pasuk mentions that the Kohen has to rekindle it and light it every morning. So the question kind of is if it's never going to go out, why does the Kohen have to constantly tend to it? And the answer we see is that the reason why it never goes out is because the Kohen is constantly every morning tending to it. And we see that fire is very often compared and likened to inspiration and enthusiasm. And with inspiration and enthusiasm, we do see that human nature is that it does sometimes feel like the inspiration dwindles and it extinguishes and it goes away. But in the same way that if we take the lesson from the Tamid, that we have to relight it and rekindle it and put action to it every day, that's the way that we can keep the inspiration going. We can keep enthusiasm going. It takes action and movement and hischadshus in order to keep that fire of inspiration, to keep it burning. When I was discussing this concept with my mother, she made a really beautiful point about fire that we can also take to the concept of inspiration as well. That sometimes it seems like the fire has gone out, the actual fire or that fire of inspiration. Sometimes it seems like there's nothing left. But we see with fire that all it takes is a little bit of kindling. All it takes is a little bit of hischadshus, a little bit of work, and that fire is like it never went out. And we could do the same thing for our inspiration and enthusiasm. So hopefully we can take the lesson from the Tamid to make sure that our inspiration and our enthusiasm just keeps burning stronger and stronger.